We are at Network X trade show in Paris, where ADB is showcasing its broadband portfolio and the latest solutions for the telco industry. Taking this opportunity, we would like to ask Philippe Lambinet, Chief Marketing Officer at ADB, about key technological innovations in the broadband area and the customer needs they will be addressing. Philippe, broadband solutions are evolving rapidly, offering capabilities that likely outpace customer needs. Do you think there are already users who should take advantage of Wi-Fi 7 based solutions, and why?
Yeah, I think that's a question a lot of operators are actually asking themselves is what's the market, what are the use cases for Wi-Fi 7? And in fact, there's a lot, both from residential side and also for business to business applications. On the consumer residential side, clearly one of the good drivers should be gaming because Wi-Fi 7 brings superior performance in bandwidth, in capacity, and even more important in latency. So applications that need short latency like gaming or in the future AR, VR, those applications are ideal drivers for transition to Wi-Fi 7. On the business side, well, clearly, more bandwidth and also low latency for video conference, for example. These are drivers, and clearly, enterprise applications need more and more bandwidth. And of course, people don't want to wire every office, and having a wireless, 9 gigabit capacity is really, really useful.
How exactly Wi-Fi 7 will impact SMEs networks?
Yeah, basically it'll make it easy to transform a wired network into a wireless network because, if you have between 5 and 10 gigabit per second throughput wireless, then why would you wire? And also we have to think that business applications mean work from home also applications and connected people all around the world to work on one project. So having super high bandwidth, super high availability, having quality of service, stability are very important factor for enterprise application, and that's something Wi-Fi 7 brings.
Is Wi-Fi 7 all that can help SMEs to overcome their connectivity and communication challenges, or ADB brings more value to the table?
Yeah, actually that's a very important point. Wi-Fi 7 is a very important technology, hardware technology, but there are many other things that enable good service on an enterprise network. And clearly software is a huge part of that, and all sorts of software. The operating system middleware in the CPE that can bring more security, more quality of service, but also monitoring software, for example, which can allow operators and also the enterprise themselves. They can monitor their network across different offices, across work from home locations and the main office, and guarantee a very high level of availability and quality of the service that's brought to the employees. So that software part is also super important for ADB. In fact, ADB is very proud to have a super competitive middleware and network solutions for operators and for SMEs that allow perfect monitoring, self-care, and remote debug of any problem that can happen on the network.
SMEs have used various solutions up to this point. Why do you believe that ADB proposal is better for them?
Yeah, actually, it's a very interesting question because SMEs typically they have a choice of either go for residential solutions, which are typically not appropriate for SMEs because of security, stability concerns, or they are offered large enterprise solutions with enterprise level, enterprise grade solutions which are extremely expensive. So, between the sub $100 kind of CPE cost and the above $1,000 CPE cost for enterprise, there's a gap. And this gap between $100 and $1,000 is something we call the SME gap. And this is exactly where we want to target. SMEs need something more than residential customers, but they don't need the super expensive large enterprise solution. So ADB has developed not only hardware but also software dedicated to address this SME gap.
So can we summarize that ADB is offering a complete solution for SMEs based on Wi-Fi 7 technology?
You can absolutely say that. Actually, we started with Wi-Fi 6 to develop very competitive SME solutions, which we have deployed in, I cannot count, but quite a few countries around the world. And now we're transitioning to Wi-Fi 7. Again, Wi-Fi 7 brings significant advantages in terms of performance and quality of service, so we want to leverage that new technology to offer an even better solution to the customers at still a very competitive price, so they can have the quality and the service and the capability of large enterprise solutions, but at a cost which matches SME requirements.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.